Jel, banat.
Coach, unang-una, nawala dalawang players. Abu, especially si Gio.
Yes, medyo malaking factor din yun dun sa guards namin. But it's a break also an opportunity for Jerry and other guards to step up like Jed. And also we're waiting for Jerome. And we hope na mas mabilis sana yung recovery ni Jerome para at least isalang na namin siya. But nawala naman kami ng dalawa, but get a younger guy like Xavier, which we feel na isa rin yun sa kulang namin na spot, yung 4 and 5 spot na pwede niyang laruin. He's a very versatile player. He can play at 3 positions, multiple positions. And I think yung isang spot na pwede naming kulang namin na magiging strength namin ngayon. And si Xavier naman, only 25, 26 years old. So yung future, medyo maganda para sa bumata kami. At the same time, naging maganda yung yung versatility ng team maging mas maayos, mas maganda.
Mahirap pong pinakawalan doon siyempre, nandun si Gio.
Yes, of course. Nag-start kami ni Gio, sabay kami nag-start dito sa Magnolia. And the one of, kumbaga ako yung pugnali sa kanya. Ako talaga yung nung gilas sa drop. Kumbaga siya yung una namin nakita talaga na pwede sa amin makatulong sa backcourt. And it's very sad, but I talked to Gio and he understand naman. I talked to Abu, he also understand, and wish them all the best. And yun nga, sabi ko naman sa kanila, maybe, we don't know kung ano mangyayari sa future, but hindi natin alam, baka in the future, magkasama-sama pa ulit, di ba, hindi man dito o saan man, di ba? But yun nga, maliit lang naman yung ginagalawan namin. Lagi kami magkikita sa court, sa labas man. So yung pinagsamahan namin, hindi mawawala yun. And we just try makita lang sila na mas okay sila doon, mas maganda, may trabaho, maganda yung tinatakbo ng career nila. Masaya ako para sa kanila.
Coach, isa kayo sa mga perennial contenders every conference, every season. Nakikita mo this time na siyempre iba na yung lineup, siyempre San Miguel, yung Meralco coming off the All Filipino Championship and so, TNT also.
Yes, naging maganda yung liga with the improvement of the other teams also. Rain or Shine, and then with the addition of Bearfield sa Blackwater, and then yung Terra Firma, ang ganda din ng lineup ngayon. So, I think nagiging balance yung liga. And kami naman with the addition of Xavier and Jerome, I think medyo magiging maayos din yung takbo. But they need some adjustment lang siguro. Naka-adjust sila dun sa system, sa chemistry ng team. But we're looking forward for this conference. We're very excited also with the addition of Glenn Robinson III sa amin. And with yung kanyang experience, leadership, makakatulong sa team namin yun. So yun, very excited kami ngayong conference.
Safe to say ba na kaya kayo kumuha ng dating NBA player talagang gusto nyo talaga mag-champion dahil gusto nyo malakas?
Yeah, of course, every conference naman, that's our goal di ba? Yun nga, medyo pinaka-post or kulang sa dulo. But we're parang naman kami last season, medyo okay naman, maganda naman yung tinakbo. We're in one final appearance and quarterfinals. So we just want to go all the way and we want to win championship. So hopefully the experience of Glenn, the talent of Glenn will help us to experience again or go to the finals again and win all the way. So every year naman, every conference yun naman talaga yung goal natin. That's why we're trying to improve on every spot of our team. Addition of Jerome on that point guard position, sa guard position, and then si Xavier dun sa forward. So yan, sana mas gumanda pa yung takbo.
Ano ko na po si Glenn Robinson? Short na kayo.
Ano lang, may mga, of course, may mga agents kami na papadala ng mga imports sa amin. And then, there's an opportunity na may, yun nga, pinadala sa amin si Glenn. Yun, tinignan namin, and then I-scout ko siya, nagtanong-tanong ako sa mga, nagbasa-basa kami sa mga, ano niya, pinanood namin yung mga games niya. At the same time, yung sa agents nga, nagpatanong ako sa kanya yung ugali, anong klaseng player, and puro positive eh. And doon nga, nung nakausap ko siya, konting interview, so yun, medyo na-convince talaga ako na siya yung para sa amin because of the way he talks, very humble. Even he plays for 8-9 seasons in the NBA, he's very humble, he's very coachable, and yun yung isa sa hinahangaan ko sa kanya. Hindi siya yung import na because he played the NBA, medyo proud. So makikita nyo naman talaga yan, kahit interviewin nyo, medyo talagang sobrang down to earth. So yan, isa yon. And then yung pagiging jolly niya, tsaka yung ano niya, yung nare-rub off niya sa mga playmates niya, very positive. Bukod talaga doon sa talent niya, yung character niya, yun yung malaking bagay para sa akin.
Magaling mo dunk.
Yes, oo. May una nga silang pinost ito, I don't know kung nakita niyo na rin, yung kanyang 360 na dunk. Of course, he's a, although this is the first time of Glenn to play outside the US. It's the first time na mag-import siya. Yun lang yung adjustment niya because he always play in the NBA, sa G League. So almost parang sa team talaga. In terms of team chemistry, tsaka yung kanyang pagiging team player, walang question doon. So we just want him to adjust doon sa pagiging import talaga.
Sa 4 points mukhang kayo may advantage.
Yes, katulad ng sinabi ko, I have the reservations on these new innovations. But again, I would like to support the PBA doon sa mga gusto nilang gawin para be more exciting doon sa mga games natin, sa mga fans. And ito naman, hindi ko naman to, actually wala akong sinasabi sa mga players ko na kailangan ganito, kailangan ganyan, tira, practice. I think dadating yan sa game. Some of them talagang sumushoot doon sa ganung range. The likes of Paul, si Jerry, even Mark, and some of our si Glenn, ganun din. But hindi namin nahanapin. We try to maging flow nung sa laro. And then if there's opportunity na tumira doon sa ganung kalayo. Si Paul naman, halos ganun talaga yung tinitira niya. So I think walang problema. But those guys na hindi pa yung kabisado yung ganung range, I think doon muna sa tamang sa 3 points or in the mid-range, yan muna.
Wala ka naman papatunayan si Lucero eh. What I'm saying is, for him to become a potential elite big man na iba through the years kasi yung Pure Goods franchise, you have Pokemon, yung Piñera, sila Hervey Yorber, si Mike Pingree. But yung potential ni Lucero to be part of that elite big man.
Yes, I think yung kanyang edad, yung young, at the same time, yung upside niya, I think mayroon siyang opportunity, mayroon siyang chance na makasama dun sa elite players na yun. And sa tulad doon sabi ko, very versatile si Xavier. He can shoot outside, he can go to the post, he can dribble. I mean, madami siyang pwedeng gawin. I think in college sa UP, he played also multiple positions. Here, ganun din naman yung magiging role niya. Ang sinasabi ko lang sa kanya is he needs to adjust on our defensive scheme to be more defensive mindset player. But yung kanyang opensa, nandiyan na yan eh. I think yun lang, medyo kailangan lang nyo mag-adjust ng konti doon sa mga tinatakbo ng system namin. But si Xavier, I think yung attitude niya, tsaka yung character niya, meron siyang potential na maging ganon. Siguro he needs to work hard lang, and yun, looking forward to that. Siguro mas better na para makuha niya yung ganong position.
Coach, thank you.
Okay.